Another day, another story. Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the skills that AI will never be able to replace, no matter how advanced the technology becomes. We're all aware of the amazing things that AI can do nowadays. From self-driving cars to smart assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming an increasingly essential part of our lives. But despite all these advancements, there are some things that machines just can't do. So, let's take a look at some of those skills. In this video, we will be discussing the top 6 skills that AI will not be able to replace. Skill number 1. Creativity. Creativity is the ability to come up with new and innovative ideas. While AI can assist in generating ideas, it cannot create something new or original without being programmed to do so. Human creativity is crucial in fields such as art, design, and advertising, where unique and innovative ideas are required. Skill number 2. Emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, empathize and respond to human emotions. Machines cannot replicate the human ability to understand, relate, and respond to emotions. This skill is crucial in fields such as counseling, therapy, and social work, where human connection and empathy are essential. Skill number 3. Critical thinking and problem solving. Critical thinking and problem solving involve analyzing situations, identifying problems, and developing solutions. AI can provide solutions based on data and algorithms, but it cannot think outside the box and come up with creative solutions to complex problems. This skill is essential in fields such as management, engineering, and research. Skill number 4. Interpersonal communication. Interpersonal communication involves the ability to communicate with others effectively. Machines cannot replicate the nuances of human communication, including body language, tone, and context, which are essential in fields such as sales, customer service, and negotiation. Skill number 5. Physical dexterity. Physical dexterity involves the ability to perform precise and intricate movements with the hands. While robots can perform physical tasks, they cannot match the dexterity and fine motor skills of human hands. This skill is critical in fields such as surgery, dentistry, and art, where precision and accuracy are essential. Skill number 6. Ethical and moral decision-making. Ethical and moral decision-making involves the ability to make decisions based on ethical and moral principles. AI can make decisions based on data, but it cannot make ethical or moral judgments without being programmed to do so. This skill is essential in fields such as law, medicine, and politics, where decisions have significant social and moral consequences. While AI technology is advancing rapidly, there are still several skills that machines cannot replicate. The skills that require human creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and physical dexterity will likely remain in high demand even as AI technology continues to advance. Furthermore, AI will not be able to replace jobs that require social skills and the ability to work with people. These skills will remain in demand even as technology continues to advance. In conclusion, AI technology is rapidly transforming the way we work and live, but there are certain skills that machines cannot replicate. The skills that require human creativity, empathy, critical thinking, and physical dexterity will likely remain in high demand even as AI technology continues to advance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.